Hi all, I'm Ajit Thomas, a faculty at Xylem Languages. Today you're going to see how you can sell your ideas, be it at the office or anywhere else. And you do that using presentations. And for the people to buy your ideas, your presentations have got to be interesting. They've got to be creative. And let's see how you can make your presentation creative. The first thing that you got to do is identify your target audience. Who are you going to present the content to? Depending on their skill level, depending on how exposed they are, how well versed they are in the topic, you have to shape your presentation. But that is not enough. You got to get them interested. To do that, start with a story, an interesting story or a question. An interesting story makes the audience listen to you. A question, on the other hand, forces them to think and participate. Yet another tactic that you can use is to include polls, discussions, and quizzes. These again force the audience to participate. And that makes them engage with the presentation. They don't just observe, they participate. Yet another thing that can make your presentation stand apart is including visual content. Visual aids such as videos or graphics can also force the audience to engage with the presentation. Finally, use humor, anecdotes, and interesting facts. People are always curious about interesting facts. Anecdotes are things that people love to hear, and humor, everybody loves humor. And these are the three strategies you can further use to make people get interested in your presentation. To know such things and more, which will help you to be ready for a job and to do well in your job, join our Career Readiness Program. Call on the number in the description box below to enroll. Thank you.